Hi there, it's Shell and Clint
Hey guys.
and a whole lot of cats. We'll see if Sophia comes up again.
We got a litter box full.
A litter box full.
A whole crap full.
Yeah, don't we though?
Oh.
Oh, you guys, I tell ya. Sorry I didn't get a video up early this morning. I really wanted to finish these and, you know, show them. And yeah, it was just I just got them finished today. So I knew I was going to be showing these pretty quickly. So these are just my fall ones. They're pretty simple. And, you know, as far as they don't have a lot of embellishments and stuff, but I'll kind of show you that. And they'll be listed in my store by the color of their tie. So this one's going to be maroon, and as I go around I will show you guys. But this one has about 80 pages front and back, so I put 20 pages in there, which makes 40 times 2 is 80. So it's a pretty good size little journal. Like I said though, it wasn't used a whole bunch. And I did use, you know, that one piece that I found from the thrift store. So some of them are pretty good, some of them are a little wonky. But yeah, but I think they all look really nice. I'm really thrilled with how they turned out. I'm just going to kind of flip through them. Each of them does have a fabric flip and a lot of washi tape and just little decorations kind of going on. Here's one of the pockets we did, and just a little bit of decoration. This one has like a bag in it and just journaling cards. I used a lot of those overspray pages and cut them up for journaling cards, and I think they look really cute in here.
Hi.
So I'm really thrilled with how these turned out. I think they really turned out nice. Each one of them has one of the tags like we made. That one looks like it's kind of coming unglued. Oh no, I left one side open, I think. And then I cut off the fold so you can easily get to the journaling card on the inside. So each of them has one of those. Each of them has one of these poems from my from a book I have from the 70s, I think. They all have fabric ruffles. They each have a greeting card. And like I said, it was just really fun to kind of use up some of the items. They each have one of the doilies, which I showed you guys how to make. And then just some decorations. Here's Sophia. I tell you guys, I did want to put, you know, these in there. I know, honey. I know. And I had forgotten about them, but I'm going to pop that one in there, and I'll pop the rest as we go. So the doily on the other side. This one is the nesting pocket tag. And I hope you guys like these. They were really fun. It's kind of fun to get them finished. And this is just a decoration, just the negatives cut out. I don't know if you can see that because her little bottom's in the way. Tag here. So this was just fun, and I was just kind of taking the, you know, the opportunity to use up a bunch of my fall items. So they're all a little bit different, but they're really fun. And then this is the piece of that that I picked up at the thrift store, and I wanted to use them all. The problem is I didn't notice until I was decorating them that some of them are really kind of cattywampus. And so this one, there is a brown paper bag in here, but I accidentally glued this one shut, but all the rest of them, they have tags in there. But on this one, I just made kind of like a fold down, so you can just kind of journal here and then just
You're okay.
fold it back up.
Oh, I'm sorry. till the litter bucket was right there, and
She jumped in it.
Butterball was shoved right there, so I moved it behind, and as I was moving it, she changed where she was jumping it, landed in the bucket head first.
Oh, poor baby.
She's alright, but that was funny.
Of course, I didn't plug in my second work. Yes.
Sorry, Sophia. Boy, you could have got that better. I mean, it was...
So again, this one is called Maroon, and they are in my Etsy shop when this goes live. And then we have the yellow. And on the cover, what I did is I just put some binding, seam binding on it. And, I did that. I guess that's bias tape, I guess, is what I put on it.
Yeah, bias tape.
And just kind of closed it up. This was a table runner. I just cut it down to make 4 of these journals. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through them. You know, because like I said, they all kind of have the same items in here, and they're really fun. I really enjoy these. And then I still have one more fall to do, and that is, let's see, I don't want that there. That is the one that Clint did, the nut cover. So I do still have to finish that, which shouldn't be a couple of days. We'll have something fun going up tomorrow if I can do what I'm planning, just kind of to celebrate Halloween. So yeah, this is one of the tags. But yeah, these were really fun to do. I was watching Gail earlier to see what she's doing. She's already started on Christmas, and I'm so ready to start Christmas. I think it's the really bright colors, the red, the green, the, you know, bright white for Christmas and stuff. And see, this one kind of is cattywampus. You can kind of see how it goes up higher. So it doesn't affect anything, but it just kind of is, you know. And then this opens up like this. So I use some little scraps and stuff to make pockets. And then this one has like a tag up here. So this one is yellow. Sophia's thinking about coming back up.
She's burning flash.
This one is orange, because this is kind of yellow, but I'm going to call it orange. It's, I don't know what color to call it, but yeah, that.
Like sunflower color.
Yeah, it's kind of like a sunflower orange, red, or orange yellow maybe. They're kind of starting to adapt to Jazzy Lynn, where everyone's not like hissing at her when they see her, and
I'll take her up there
stuff.
so Shel can show her.
Yeah, we'll show her you
Or
at the end of the video, so you guys can see Jazzy
That way
Lynn.
Grandma can see it.
Fabric flip. Yeah, hi Grandma. We got another grandbaby.
I can just see her now. Oh Lord, where
Oh Lord.
Hi, Jazzy.
Oh Grandma, it doesn't take up much room.
At least not yet.
Yeah.
She's so darn cute.
She's cute, and she has like a lazy eye, so when she's looking straight at you, one is looking straight at you and the other one's kind of floating. But so these are really fun, and these, you know, I just used I think I used 7 by 11 paper, something like that. I should give you guys measurements, huh? Just a little tag, a little journaling card there. But these were so fun. I think these would be really fun to put like use for a gratitude journal. So
That's a neat idea.
yeah, just kind of, you know, write down what you're grateful for.
Is that just in November when you do that?
Some people do it all year round, but
usually it's meant for November.
yeah, you're kind of
right?
focused
Is that
on
like a November daily thing?
yeah,
Is that
kind of like that. You just kind of write, maybe take a picture and write what you're thankful for or
That's
something
neat.
that day. This card, it just says blessings at Thanksgiving. And I just left things like that because if you do use it as a great gratitude journal, then you might want that. And I think this one, it feels a little crooked, the signature, but I'm not too stressed about it because it all still fits in here. It just look at it.
And that's all that really matters. It's a junk journal.
Well, it's a junk journal, and that's why I'm not too worried about it. And it was kind of hard to put the signature in here with the... So, but just be forewarned, this is the orange one. And, you know, I guess if they don't sell, then I will have a lot of gratitude journals for the rest of the year. You never know, though. That one's orange. I really love that, and I love the tie. The tie just feels like autumn, and I love the top.
I had fun sewing those on.
Yeah, Clint sewed on the ties for me, and that's pretty much all he did on this journal.
Yeah.
This one was 6 by 8.5 or so. Yeah. Just to give you guys an idea. And then this one, I went ahead and put lace on it because I know some people love lace and some people don't. And I think I forgot to put a little pocket in that one. So, and these will come with a small bag of goodies, just kind of some of the leftovers and things that I want to share with you guys. But I had this kind of old lace, and it was like perfect for the size signature in here. So I wanted to use that, and so that's why we used a lace tie, just because it's like just a really lacy feel to it. And so I just put this stuff in here. I love this. I think I mentioned that on the other one. This one's kind of got some red tones. Of course they all do, so I don't know. This is the rose dyed paper that we did a while back. Has another greeting card, the paper clip with another journaling card, coffee dyed paper, the nesting pocket tag, and then the embossed tag. I love these doilies. I think they are so pretty. The CD holder with some more journaling.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Space underneath the doilies.
Yeah, I really like
those. Turned out really nice, and yeah, Clint had to talk me through it, but it worked really nice. Just little simple little pockets from some negatives and stuff. Like I said, I just wanted something that was simple, that you could just journal in and kind of just have, you know. This one I still had a leaf left, so I went ahead and popped that in there.
We need food, Betty.
The outside cats are telling the inside cats, we're hungry, Mama, Daddy.
Yeah, I'll get up in a minute.
And then just a little tag here, which I love. I think you guys saw me make that. But these were so fun. I used up a whole roll of washi tape, which doesn't happen in my life very often. It's kind of like, oh, I used up washi. But, you know, I was thinking you really want to use it because I pulled other washis to use, like this one, and it melts on itself, and then you can't really dig it off. So I don't know if it's something here or what, but I put that lace in here and then like a little ribbon. So this could be like a double belly band. I love this one. I think this one's so pretty. There's a little pocket here. Here is a journaling card here. It might be glued in. I have to get that out before I send it. Really, Michelle?
That's my wife.
Oh, I know where it is. There was like a little see-through area over here through the brown paper bag, and I didn't think about it when I put that washi tape on it, that it glued it down.
Oh.
So.
I love you, dear.
I love you too, honey. Little stinker. Okay, I'll dig on it when I'm not on camera. Jeez. So like I said, they're not perfect, but I think they're really fun. and I think you'll like them. So if you're interested in one of these four, like I said, this one will be lace. This one, oh, still need to put a origami pocket in that one too. There. This one is orange. This one is yellow. Who do you have? You have Bubba? Are you going to get little girl?
Yeah. Betty.
And then this one is maroon, I think is what I went with. So I love them all. I think they're so fun. So let's see what we have. Look what we have.
You got to show her eyes. She just adorable.
She's a little sweetheart.
She's
She doesn't mind
cross-eyed.
laying on her back.
And
Look at that chunk. She's chunky.
she wouldn't have believed that she was feral.
Yeah, she was totally feral. Like you'd walk up to her and she would just run. And then one day she's just like rubbing up against us, and she's not feral at all. Noises don't startle her. She doesn't run and hide. It's just like she went from one direction to the other, which we've never had happen.
We've had a lot of cats.
I mean, some of them stay feral, somewhat, but she's not. And I mean, even the other cats hissing at her, she's just like, whatever.
Yeah, she don't care.
Here's Sophia. Here's Sophia. I gotta get my defuzzer out, Sophia. Thanks a lot.
Well, Grandma needs to see something.
Yeah, Grandma needs to see Sophia, and Miss Marilyn needs to see Sophia. Look at that sweet face. Look at that sweet face. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. We do have one more fall journal. I'm going to try to just put that on off camera, put that together off camera, and then we'll move on to a few Christmas items. We're not going to do Christmas for the rest of the year. But this is me grooming the cats. You have scissors, Daddy? Or did I still have them? So I have to
Oh, they're over there.
trim her. She sees them, and then watch her. See, she sees that I have them, and then she'll play with me. She won't just let me trim her. So thank you guys so much for watching, and head over to the store if you're interested in one of these cute journals, and we will see you guys in the next video. Come back tomorrow. We're having a special non-crafting day, hopefully surprise for you guys. So I hope you come back tomorrow.
Oh, that's what it was.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.
So I had to show you guys this. I'm trimming her while she's up here, and she's just got her head back, and she just let me grab her belly and just love on her.
She's got oh my gosh, I love that belly.
The softest belly. She wasn't even attacking my scissors when I got her. I know you guys want to rub this belly. So many people are like, rubber belly for me, rubber belly.
It's just, it's fat and soft and just,
Just a chunky little hairy piece. Sorry, bye.